In 1776, the original 13 colonies became the United States, consisting of 400,000 square miles of land. Americans had a common belief that they had a manifest destiny, which meant it was their purpose to expand westward and conquer land all the way to the Pacific. Through bloody conquests and treaties, over the next century, the United States would succeed in reaching the other coast and become a country of 3,400,000 square miles. Westward expansion of the United States began in 1803. A treaty with France negotiated by Thomas Jefferson had the United States pay $15 million for the Louisiana Territory. The Louisiana Territory was 828,000 square miles of land west of the Mississippi River, which more than doubled the size of the country. The territory went from the Mississippi River all the way to the Rocky Mountains and from the border of Canada all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico. In 1818, the British gave what is now mostly North Dakota and Minnesota to the United States in return for land farther north in Canada. In 1819, the United States gained Florida from Spain, as Spain realized they could not defend Florida, and they were busy keeping control of their other colonies at the time. The land gained included Florida as well as parts of Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana. In 1822, Mexico opened Texas to Americans. In 1836, Texas gained independence from Mexico and asked to be a part of the Union. Congress denied them at first, but then in 1845, Texas became the 28th state. In 1818, the United States and Britain agreed to share the Oregon Territory. In 1846, they agreed to divide the Oregon country in two. The southern half was given to the United States and the northern half to Britain. In 1846, disputes between the United States and Mexico over the boundary line in Texas led to the Mexican War. The United States won, and after paying Mexico $15 million, they were granted a large area of land that now makes up California, Nevada, Utah, and parts of Wyoming, Arizona, and New Mexico. This became known as the Mexican Cession. Finally, in what is known as the Gadsden Purchase, the United States gained a small bit of land for $10 million from Mexico, which now makes up southern Arizona and New Mexico, completing the mainland of the United States we know today.